Ever get so mad at something tiny, like dropping a spoon, that you feel like flipping the whole table? Yeah, same. But here's the question. Is that frustration just a normal human thing, or is it your brain pulling a glitch? If you're a neurodivergent person, the answer might surprise you. Frustration is universal. But for neurodivergent people, it doesn't just stop at, "Ooh, that's annoying." It ramps up, fast. The question is, why? Is it just an ADHD glitch messing with your emotional responses? Or is your ego stepping in, making you feel personally attacked by, well, a jammed printer?
Or maybe the printer just hates you.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. But let's dig deeper. ADHD, or I call it creative thinkers. That isn't just about being distracted. It's about how your brain processes emotions. It's called emotional dysregulation. Imagine your frustration dial is stuck on max, and you can't find the volume knob. Your brain struggles to filter out what's just annoying from what's an actual crisis. For someone who is neurotypical, a slow-loading video is annoying. For someone who is neurodivergent, it's like the internet just declared war on you. But wait, there's another player in this game, ego. Everyone has it. It's that little voice that says, "You should have done better," or "Why is this happening to you?" Ego takes frustration and makes it personal. Without ADHD, frustration might come from ego, feeling disrespected, embarrassed, or out of control. But people with executive functioning challenges, the frustration often hits before ego even shows up. It's raw, immediate, and feels like the world is out to get you.
So, you're saying I'm not the center of the universe?
Sorry, bud. Not this time. Let's break it down. Burnt toast. A neurotypical person. Mild annoyance. They toss it, make another slice. Done. But for someone with neurodivergent, it feels like the day is ruined. That's the glitch kicking in. The emotional floodgates open before you even realize what's happening. But here's where ego sneaks in for both sides. If you cling to that frustration, replay it, and let it define your mood. That's ego doing its thing. Now, here's the twist. If ego's such a problem, why don't we just overcompensate for it? You know, shrug things off, laugh it away, pretend we're zen. Turns out, overcompensating doesn't work because it's still ego in disguise. It's like putting a hat on a volcano and hoping it won't erupt. You're still reacting, just pretending you're not.
Yeah, that's like me saying I'm totally fine when I'm hangry. We all know it's a lie.
For neurodivergent people, this gets even trickier. Emotional responses come so fast that trying to fake calmness is like trying to stop a roller coaster mid-drop. You can't hack your way out of it. You have to understand why it's happening. See? Even trying to be calm becomes a battle with ego. So what's the solution? Let's find out.
So, how do you deal with it?
Whether it's ADHD or ego, the trick is catching that reaction before it spirals. For neurodivergent people, it might mean stepping away, grounding yourself, or even laughing at the absurdity of the situation. For ego, it's realizing that not every mistake is a personal attack on your identity.
Or just blame the toaster. Works every time.
Hey, whatever gets you through the day. At the end of the day, we all get frustrated. But understanding why you react the way you do, whether it's a brain glitch or your ego taking over, can help you take back control. So, next time life throws a curveball, ask yourself, is this really that bad? Or is my brain just glitching out? Since we're smashing things, might as well include the like button. Wait, did you catch that glitch? Oops. Looks like you forgot to subscribe. Fix it with a click.